Are you thinking of selling your Staten Island home within the next month? If you haven't contacted me yet, pause this video right now and call me. Because if you're asking me to put your home on the market like tomorrow, I would be doing you a massive disservice. Selling your home fast doesn't mean rushing to list it. Let's repeat that. Selling a home fast doesn't mean you rush to list it. It means basically setting the stage up for success. Hi, I'm Allison Mireau, broker owner of Realty in Staten Island, New York, with a dual license in New Jersey. And I've been helping people for over a decade sell their homes. I was really young when I started, I'm not old. So if you're thinking of selling your home in the next 9 or 90 days, give me and my team a call. We cannot wait to help you. But wait. Before we get into it, let me be very clear. Unless there's a crazy circumstance, no wheels are turning to get your house on the market in 1 day or even 5 days. I need at least 2 weeks to do it right. But 4 weeks is where the magic happens. So now I'm gonna walk you through my supersonic fast way to sell your home. All right, I think we can get into it now. All right, the first week is all about getting your home market ready. We don't list a house without giving it the glow up it deserves. You know what I mean? Here's what happens. We'll do a walkthrough and an assessment first. I'll visit your home. We'll identify what needs to be done to showcase it in its best light. That includes an inspector, a stager. If we need things done after the inspection, we're gonna do a checklist for decluttering, organizing. Do we need a pod? Do we need a storage unit? Any of these things. Do we need a painter, handyman? Any of these things is going to happen in that first week, because as the weeks progress, we can do things along the way. That's why 4 weeks is so important. Then we're gonna outline the next week step by step so you'll know exactly what to expect. This week basically lays the foundation for a smooth and fast sale. Trust me, what we do here will make all the difference in the long run. Okay, next up is week 2, staging and photography. Now that your home is prepped, week 2 is all about presentation. Buyers shop with their eyes first, online. I know I do. Do you? I'm sure you do. And the first thing your buyer is gonna see is the pictures, is the videos, all of that important stuff. We're also gonna be staging your home to maximize the space, highlight its best features, and create that wow factor. We're also gonna deep clean this week, whether it's power washing the exterior, scrubbing every corner, making sure there's no dirt on the baseboards. Your home has to sparkle. Then my professional team will capture the photos, the videos, aerial shots, drones, walk-through tour of the house, long form and short form. And by the end of week 2, your home will look like it belongs on the cover of a magazine. Now we're up to my favorite, week 3, because it's all about marketing. This is where we start to get buyers excited. Before your home officially hits the market, we build hype so that buyers are already thinking about making offers and kind of saying, oh, is this gonna be the one for me? You know what I mean? We'll write a listing description that highlights everything buyers will love, what's inside the house, tell a story about the neighborhood, because yes, we care about 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, but buyers also want to know, like, where are they going to live? What's happening in the neighborhood? Then with all of that footage we took, we're gonna create coming soon campaigns on Facebook, which Facebook and Instagram are together because they're meta, and then other platforms too start generating buzz. I'll run ads to reach serious buyers in Staten Island and New York who are ready to move. I know how to do that. Then we're gonna reach out to agents and my personal network to get buyers ready to see your home. Then by the time we hit week 4, we'll already have buyers who are eager to tour your home. Okay, now week 4 can go one of 2 ways. If we still need time to do things, we don't list. But if we don't need time to do things, week 4, on that Wednesday or Thursday, we go live. We go live at your property, we do a live tour. My entire following on Instagram and Facebook know that because I've been doing it for so long. So people will tune into your property. Then we do 2 open houses on that weekend, and that's when the doors officially open. At that point, after the open house, Monday, Tuesday, I like to see what offers come in. In a perfect world, we will have offers. I haven't once in this past 12 months. This strategy has not worked. Do you know what I mean? So I also one of my big things is I like to give people time. I will not take that first offer, right? I want to get as many people in the house as possible because my job is to get as many buyers into your house. If somebody comes in on Say they call me and they can't come to the open house, they come in on a Friday. We're still going to do the open house because it would be a disservice to you if we did it. We want as many people to see it as possible, but keeping it on the market if we have offers for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, that's just silly, right? Because everybody who's a serious buyer will come in that first week. Then we just negotiate fiercely on your behalf, check everybody's money, where is it coming from, talk to their loan officers, and it's about selling it fast, but it's also about selling it smart because we want you to have the best possible offer and the best terms no matter what. Now, I know you're tempted to rush, but let me just tell you why this 4-week plan is the key to success. First impressions matter. A staged, professionally photographed and videographed home attracts more buyers and higher offers. Generating excitement before your home even hits the market gives you a competitive edge. Remember, we want as many people as possible. And now strategic pricing. It will pay off. Analyzing the market and pricing your home correctly will avoid sitting on the market or over or underpricing it. Selling a home fast doesn't mean skipping these steps. It just means doing the things at the right time. And that's exactly why this 4-week plan is designed to do. So if you're thinking about selling your home in Staten Island, don't wait until the last minute. Start now so we can create a custom plan to sell your home super fast and for top dollar. I'm Allison Mireau, broker owner of Real Connect Realty in Staten Island, New York, with a dual license in New Jersey. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video. Everything we talked about, all the links are below. See you in the next video. Stay connected.